Hi all. So it's been a while, right? For those who don't know me that would come across this video, I'm Jacko. In the past few weeks, DJI sent me over this DJI Neo. With this DJI Neo, DJI sent this over to me to try out and just play around with it. Nagamit ko siya on a bunch of scenarios, a bunch of use cases, and for this Christmas, if you're still looking for something to gift your loved one, like and that special someone, maybe your partner, or maybe you want to get something for yourself, the DJI Neo would fit that. Lalo na if you're into like taking videos, documenting life as it is, taking family photos, videos, travel videos. Nako, this one would fit really well. Lalo na if you like to pack light. Because, look at this. Sobrang liit lang niya. And it's really easy to use. For a little bit of context, hindi kasi ako marunong magpalipad ng drone at all. Wala akong experience with flying one. This drone is so feature-packed na within the weeks na nasa akin siya, hindi ko pa na-explore lahat ng specs or lahat ng features na meron siya. DJI sent over the Fly More combo. So, I have like 3 batteries, a remote, and then the drone itself. Hindi ko akalain na I would enjoy flying a drone so much. But one thing I did find out is how to fit this into my workflow. Dahil nga bago siya, nanibago ko talaga how this drone fit in my workflow. But dahil sa sobrang dali niyang paliparin, dali niyang i-operate, and sobrang fun niya gamitin, na-gets ko kung paano siya gamitin agad. Very intuitive. Let's dive into the specs. So, the DJI Neo weighs for about 135 grams. Mas mabigat pa yung isang bag ng coffee. It's really amazing how many features they can pack into that small of a system. Max altitude niya, it's 2 kilometers. Yung flight time niya is about 17 minutes with the propeller guards and 18 minutes, just an additional 1 minute para pagkawala yung propeller guards. Might be a little too short for veteran drone flyers, but for the people that want to use or are gonna use this, it's enough. Yung range niya is about 7 kilometers. That's without obstructions, on a controlled environment and when all the conditions are right. But yeah, again, it comes with the features ng usual DJI drone that has return to home function. And pagka nawala siya sa range ng mga stuff mo, I would just come home. One thing to note about this drone is that it has 20 gigabytes of internal storage. Wala siyang micro SD card or wala siyang external storage, but with the 20 gig, it's enough for what it is and for its use cases. So it's really good. It's really good. It shoots 4K. With that small of a drone, it shoots 4K 30 and a max frame rate of 60 at 1080. So you get 4K and you get 1080 at 60 FPS, so you could do a little bit of slowing down with stuff. Once you get the Fly More combo with the 3 batteries and the remote, there's this mode, the cinematic mode, and you're gonna be able to really slow down and do precise movements, do smooth movements with it. For my actual use cases or my actual experience with it, nung una siyang dumating, I tried flying it how they advertised it, palm flying or palm takeoff and palm landing. It only has downward facing sensors. So, yun lang yung sensors na meron siya. When you fly indoors, since indoors naman, usually controlled environment and stuff like that, you should maintain it at a line of sight. And you should be wary of obstacles along the way. But this one, dahil nga maliit siya, hindi siya ganun kaingay. Very considering all on the perspective of all the drones na narinig ko or na nakita ko while operating, this one is one of the quietest ones. And once you get it on range, like medyo lumayo-layo na siya somewhere, hindi mo na siya maririnig eh. Actually, yun nga yung parang sa akin medyo nag-trigger na, oh shoot, asa na siya? Kasi masyado nga siya, maliit nga siya. And tahimik siya enough na pagka lumayo lang siya about 20 meters, 30 meters, even less pa nga I think, tatahimik na siya, hindi mo na siya maririnig. So the only contact you have is the remote and the screens. And also, I've used this drone using just the drone itself. I've used it flying, basically, wala akong hawak na anything other than the drone tracking me using AI tracking, like the follow feature. And it's really amazing kasi lahat ng friends na pinatry ko nun, medyo na-amaze sila lahat. Ako mismo na-amaze ako kasi literally it's like magic na once you like set it up and then press the button, press the thing, and then it's gonna follow you. Basta tutok mo lang sa iyo camera and susundan ka na niya. Susundan ka na niya no matter where you go, and it will make decisions on how to like navigate the space na kung saan siya kailangan. So, sobra nakakaaliw siya. Plus, you get these functions na quick shots from DJI, like yung orbit, tracking, yung droney, plus yung like lumalayo and stuff like that on the drone itself. So you don't actually need to fly it with a remote or fly it while connected to your phone. But, for safety matters, it would be advisable na meron kang monitor at least kung ano yung nakikita ng drone and maintain it sa line of sight mo. But other than that, it was really easy to fly this drone. I've flown this indoors, sa cafe ng friends ko, and dito sa bahay, I've tried to like fly it here. I've flown it outdoors. Once I've flown it like from a rooftop, and then I was worried kasi medyo malakas yung hangin that time. But the Neo can take it. Weirdly enough, the Neo can take it. Even at that small of a scale, its motors are powerful enough para i-take yung hangin at that height. So it's really amazing kung gaano ka galing yung drone itself and how DJI made this one. Tapos, what's it saying to me is how intuitive it is. Even your app, like, it's mostly a monitor and you can like do controls. You can also actually control the drone manually using just the phone. Although yung range mo might be a little bit more limited kasi it connects through Wi-Fi. And for the things that you want it to document and for the things that you'd want to be captured with it, it's really good. It's really good. On top of all of those features, yung price, it's really amazing. Like, when I tell people the price of this drone, lahat sila nagugulat na, what? Huh? It's that cheap? If you are looking for something this Christmas to gift yourself or gift a special one, a special person who likes shooting videos, who likes documenting stuff, or just something to play around with, this is the price. You can go ahead to the DJI stores right now and get one. And trust me, it's something that you'd have real good amounts of fun. Yung lalo na yung palm takeoff and landing, like just really lands and takes off on the palm of your hands. Hindi mo kailangan ng flat surface, hindi mo kailangan ng landing pad thing. Basically, wala ka ng accessories na kailangan pang bilhin as it is. It's just the Neo and just fly it. It's the drone for the people who haven't tried flying a drone. I really like the drone. Ang galing niya. It's really smart. It's really intelligent. It's really easy to use. And more importantly, it's really fun to use. Because gear that makes it fun to use or makes you excited to use it is a gear that would be used a lot. Sobrang, like, I had tons of fun using this. Tapos, kasya pa siya sa bulsa mo. So, the DJI Neo, it's something fun. It's something really good. And I would highly recommend this. That's it for today. And hopefully, you get the chance to experience flying DJI Neo. And if you get one for yourselves, then congratulations. And you're gonna have tons of fun with it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.